Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Lexus GX versus Toyota Sequoia. We'll dive into what makes each of these SUVs unique, helping you decide which one best fits your lifestyle. We'll look at their core strengths, from their robust engines to their interior comforts and practical features. By the end, you'll have a clearer picture of which vehicle truly stands out for your needs. Let's get started and explore these impressive vehicles. When it comes to power, the Lexus GX offers a robust 349 horsepower from its twin-turbo V6 engine, providing ample strength for daily driving and off-road adventures. The Toyota Sequoia, however, steps up with a powerful 437 horsepower hybrid V6, delivering impressive acceleration and efficiency. For towing, the Sequoia leads with a maximum capacity of 9,520 pounds, while the GX can tow up to 9,096 pounds. Both vehicles offer advanced off-road systems, with the GX over-trail models featuring 33-inch all-terrain tires for serious trail capability. Inside, the Lexus GX provides a refined and luxurious cabin, centered around a large 14-inch multimedia touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. It offers comfortable seating for up to 7 passengers, with available semi-aniline leather and heated and ventilated front seats. The Toyota Sequoia, a full-size SUV, prioritizes spaciousness, accommodating up to 8 passengers and offering a maximum of 86.9 cubic feet of cargo space. Both vehicles include 3-zone automatic climate control, ensuring comfort for everyone on board, and the GX offers an optional Mark Levinson sound system for an elevated audio experience. Ultimately, your choice between the Lexus GX and Toyota Sequoia depends on your priorities. The GX, starting around $64,735, offers a blend of luxury and serious off-road capability, perfect for those seeking adventure with premium comfort. The Sequoia, with a starting price of about $62,175, provides a spacious interior, impressive towing, and the efficiency of a hybrid powertrain, ideal for families and heavy hauling. Both are excellent, but cater to different needs. Also, remember to check the description for a link to fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.